Hey guys, it's Joe here from Avi Co. Today we'll be doing another watch review video of the Mille RM11-03 Red Quartz NTPT. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's take a closer look at what we have here today. Today we'll be featuring the Mille RM11-03 Red Quartz NTPT. The composition of this watch is just fascinating. It's made with hundreds of layers of red quartz TPT and black carbon NTPT. By the way, NTPT stands for North Thin Ply Technology. Because of its lightweight material, this watch is extremely comfortable to wear. The watch is offered in two editions, the red quartz like I have, or the black NTPT. This automatic movement is powered by the new RM-AC3 caliber. Its functions are displayed on the skeletonized dial with white Arabic numerals and the yellow dotted hour markers circling the dial. One of the great features is the oversized date display, which is located right underneath the 12 o'clock hour marker. You can activate the chronograph via the pusher located between 1 and 2 o'clock, which will start or stop it. And the flyback function can be continuously reset by depressing the pusher located between 4 and 5 o'clock. To adjust the local time, pull out the crown and rotate clockwise. The watch secures on the wrist with a rubber strap and a titanium fold clasp. Behind the curved case of the watch is a sapphire crystal, which allows you to view the amazing movement within the watch. Thanks for tuning in to watching today's watch review video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please let us know by placing a thumbs up or by commenting. If you guys like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you again soon.